I'm Tisha and I'm working on the introduction which explains why we're doing our bug trap.
Hi, my name's Sienna and I'm doing the methods and I'm talking about how the steps that we did there. Hi, my name is Mia and I'm working on the results for what we are doing in our science project.
Hi, I'm Tisha and I'm going to read you the introduction of a pest trap or insect trap. Introduction. The problem is that there is a bug damaging the school plants by eating it. So Mia, Sienna and I are making an insect trap. After that, we're going to bring the bugs to an entomologist. It's actually a scientist who studies bugs, so they can investigate the bugs. We also use drones for safety because some insects could be poisonous or venomous. Also because some bugs could be high on trees and also because of weather conditions.
Hi, my name's Sienna and I'm going to tell you the methods. Step 1, we figure out the plan. Step 2, we grab the drone. Step 3, we grab the materials. The materials were sticky tape, paper, drone, lucky bands, texture, string and plants. Step 4, then we made the insect trap step by step. Step 4.1, we got the drone and put the lucky band around the drone. Then we tied the string to the lucky bands. At the other end of the string, we attached a yellow envelope. To make the envelope sticky, we added double sticky tape.
Good job. Can you show us your paper?
Hi, my name is Mia and I'm going to explain the results. Step 1, we programmed the drone with coding to fly 4 to 6 times each. Step 2, we also flew the drones over 2 plants. Step 3, and the sticky trap was attached to the drone which touched the plants and brought us back little insects. Step 4, we took the insects to an entomologist who, with the help of the microscope, helped us realize they were a new type of aphids.
Okay.
Does anyone want to see? From You're very stop.
Oh, it's still too high. Whoa! Moving forward. Yes! Good job. It's going back. Whoa! Good job, good job, good job. Yeah. Good job. Well done, girls. You got a video too. Well done.
3, 2, 1.
Yes. You touch the plant. It's turning. It's touching it again. Yes. Good job. That's good.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Yes, well done. Good job. Yeah!
Okay, Sienna, what's happening?
I'm moving it.
Yeah, and what can you see?
If you do press it,
I see lots of bugs moving.
see?
We're
And
looking
they're
at,
very tiny.
we're looking at aphids. The aphids that they caught.
Bugs at that.
Yeah?
So,
Okay, it's moisture. Look in.